Thinking about downsizing with a low maintenance lifestyle, but you don't want to sacrifice on the quality? Then I have the perfect house for you. Imagine all of the hard work is already done for you. The layout is perfect for easy living. Best of all, it's just minutes from downtown Greenville, downtown Travelers Rest, and Paris Mountain State Park. Let me introduce you to your dream home, 202 Greenview Circle. This gorgeous one-story brick ranch was recently given a refresh and is move-in ready. With 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a spacious open layout, it's the perfect blend of classic Southern charm with modern upgrades. The sellers have tackled all of the big items for you, from all new flooring to a new coat of paint throughout. Check out this stunning new kitchen with brand new cabinets, sleek quartz countertops, and high-end stainless steel appliances. You could be the very first to use this brand new cooktop. The sellers wanted it to be in mint condition for you. You will probably spend most of your time in the spacious living room on the back of the house. It has beautiful vaulted ceilings and a cozy fireplace. Whether you're hosting guests or enjoying a quiet night in, this space is designed for elevated living. And just off the living room, your very own screened porch. This is the perfect spot to sip your morning coffee, unwind in the evenings, and enjoy Greenville's beautiful seasons. Location is everything, and this home puts you in the heart of it all. You're just minutes from downtown Greenville's top restaurants and attractions, Travelers Rest, charming Main Street, and the outdoor beauty of Paris Mountain State Park. Best of all, you don't have to get on a highway for any of it. If you've been looking to downsize, but you didn't want to sacrifice your comfort, style, or desired location, this is your opportunity. Updated homes like this don't hit the market very often, especially under $500,000. Don't wait, hurry up and reach out to me. You can call me, you can text me, or you can send me an email. Thank you for watching. If you'd like to learn more about the Greenville area, please subscribe to our channel and you'll find more home tours and expert real estate advice. I'll see you in the next video.